So hello friends, welcome back to another video. So day before yesterday, many candidates received the LOI from the Wipro. So firstly, I want to congratulate to them all those who received the LOI from the Wipro, and now they got selected in the Wipro. So the candidates who received the LOI from the Wipro, now they want to know about the next process. What is after LOI? So in this video, I am going to discuss about that. What are the next steps after the LOI, and what is a BGV process in Wipro? So I will discuss about the detailed BGV process in Wipro, what are the documents required for the Wipro, and also discuss when you will get the BGV and training mail. So don't skip any part of this video, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So firstly, I will talk about the letter of intent. So this type of email candidates received from the Wipro. This is the letter of intent mail. So this mail states that congratulations, we are delighted to inform you that you have been selected for our campus hiring 2025, and please treat this as confirmation of the selection, and note that this is letter of intent is subject to you strictly meeting the requisite eligibility criteria. So it means you are got selected in the Wipro, and many of you already accepted the letter of intent. So after accepting the letter of intent, you will get to see this type of interface, and you can also download the letter of intent by clicking the download button, and you can view your letter of intent. So now moving forward to the what are the next steps after the LOI. So currently you receive the LOI from the Wipro. So what are the next steps? So either you will get BGV mail from the Wipro first, or either you will get training survey mail from the Wipro. So the BGV means background verification or the document verification. In this, basically they will send you a link in which you have to upload the documents and you have to fill some information, and after that they will verify your documents and information, and then you will get to see your BGV result. It means your documents got verified or not. I will also discuss about in detail in the next slide, so don't skip the video. After the BGV result, you will get to see the training survey mail. So training survey mail is basically a mail in which the survey link is mentioned, and you have to fill the survey that you are available to attend the pre-skilling training. So firstly you will get the training survey mail. Then after filling the training survey mail, you will get to see the actual training start mail in which the training schedule will be given. So now discuss about the timeline when you can expect the next step after the LOI. So the timeline is not fixed for everyone. Some candidates whose luck is good, they got the BGV mail or the training mail early, and those whose luck is not good, they got the training survey mail or BGV late. So here you can see approximate within 1 month to 3 months or even more based on their requirements, you will get to see your next steps after the LOI. Now moving forward to the detailed BGV process. So firstly I will tell you what are the documents required for the document verification of the Wipro. So here you can see the first documents are SSC, your class 10 certificate, and HSC, your class 12th mark sheets are the important documents for the document verification. And the second is you have last semester mark sheet, provisional degree certificate or the degree certificate. If anyone you have, then you have to upload that. If you did not have last semester mark sheet, provisional degree certificate or degree certificate, then you can also upload the mark sheets that you currently have, and it will not create problem. And the third is Aadhaar card. This is also the most important document. And next is PAN card and voter card and driving license. These are the important documents required for the document verification of the Wipro. In below 4 documents, you have at least 2 documents. Aadhaar card and PAN card is the necessary documents for the document verification of the Wipro. And now moving forward to the detailed BGV process. So when you got the BGV link from the Wipro, you have to upload your documents in the portal, and then you have to submit your BGV. Then you will get to see 3 types of statuses after the BGV. So if you get the green audit mail, it means your documents got verified successfully. If they found any discrepancy in your documents, or if any your documents pending, then they will send you a amber audit mail. This means your documents are pending and you have to re-upload that. And if you upload wrong documents and if you did not fall in the eligibility criteria, then you will get to see this type of mail, red audit mail. So this means your document verification is failed, and then your offer letter will be revoked and you are not further eligible for in this process. But when you got the green audit mail, this means your documents got verified. Then after you will get to see the training survey mail. So training survey mail I already discussed about it you will have to fill a survey form in which have some questions, and you have to fill that, and after some days you will get to see your training schedule or start mail. So this is the full process after the LOI. Currently the BGV portal is not working, so many candidates receive the training survey mail without the BGV also. So don't need to worry about it whether the BGV portal is working or not. So just wait for your training survey mail and the schedule or the start mail if you already got your LOI. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you friends.